Book 288, scientists placed 42 sea sponges in a polluted Spanish port. 455 days later, one species had thrived while 4 others died. In a breakthrough study, scientists have discovered that certain species of sponges can not only survive but also thrive in polluted harbors. The research, conducted in a Spanish port, has opened up new possibilities for the restoration of degraded marine environments. By introducing hardy, naturally occurring species, such as the chicken kidney sponge, into polluted areas, researchers hope to improve water quality and support the recovery of damaged ecosystems. The study, which was led by Manuel Maldonado and Carlota Escarré of the Center for Advanced Studies of Blanes, involved transplanting 42 sea sponges from 5 different species into a heavily polluted marina near Girona. Over the course of 455 days, the researchers monitored the sponges, tracking their growth, reproduction, and survival rates. The results were striking. While 4 of the species either died or declined significantly, the chicken kidney sponge not only survived but thrived, reproducing asexually and establishing itself in the polluted environment. The researchers believe that this species' unique tolerance of poor water quality and its ability to move and seek out more favorable conditions are key factors in its success. According to Maldonado, the chicken kidney sponge's biology makes it an ideal candidate for ecological restoration projects. Its high microbial abundance and ability to filter pollutants from the water make it a valuable asset in the recovery of degraded marine environments. The researchers are now planning to monitor the sponge's performance over several years to determine its long-term potential for harbor restoration. The study's findings have significant implications for the restoration of polluted harbors and marinas around the world. By harnessing the power of resilient species, like the chicken kidney sponge, researchers hope to develop a more effective and sustainable approach to marine conservation. As the world grapples with the challenges of pollution and climate change, this research offers a glimmer of hope for the recovery of our planet's vital marine ecosystems.